Hello, today we will guide you through how to set limit order on Webull. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Webull desktop platform and the paper trading workspace so you can practice safely without risking real funds. By the end, you'll understand where to go, what to click, and how to set a precise price for your limit order. Begin by opening the Webull desktop application. Give it a moment to load your workspace and make sure you're connected to the internet. If you haven't used Webull in a while, you may see minor layout updates after an app refresh, but the process remains the same. On the left side of the platform, look for paper trading. This section mirrors live trading but uses virtual buying power, making it a great place to learn and test strategies. If paper trading isn't visible in the left navigation, go to the top of the platform and choose All Layout. This expands available workspaces so you can switch into the paper trading layout. Once you're in, the interface should show a watch list, a chart, and an order panel. Next, select a sample symbol to trade. A symbol, also called a ticker, identifies a specific stock or ETF. Choose any symbol you're interested in and pull up its quote so you can see the current price, the day's range, and recent activity. Confirm you've selected the correct instrument and exchange before proceeding. In the order panel, find the field labeled order type and select limit. A limit order tells the system to execute only at your specified price or better. For a buy limit, you're setting the maximum price you're willing to pay. For a sell limit, you're setting the minimum price you're willing to accept. This helps control slippage and gives you greater precision than a market order, which fills at the best available price. Now enter your limit price. Use the live quote to guide you. The bid shows what buyers are offering, the ask shows what sellers want, and the last price reflects the most recent trade. If you're buying, a limit at or below the current ask may fill faster. If you're selling, a limit at or above the current bid may attract buyers more quickly. Double-check decimal places and make sure the price aligns with your plan, as the order will not execute unless the market reaches your level. That's it. You've navigated to paper trading, chosen a symbol, set the order type to limit, and entered your desired price, establishing clear control over execution. Practice this flow to build confidence before trading in a live account. Thanks for following along.